Or we can be heroes just for one day.
All right, Mike Straysinger with SportsNashville.net. Time for our prep picks of the week. Once again, week 1 of the TSSAA season. Last week I was 22-9. It's not too good. I hope to do better this week. Let's get right to it. Got 3 teams traveling a little bit this week. Hillsborough is going up to Kentucky, Christian County, Kentucky. I like Hillsborough over Christian County, Kentucky. Madison Academy in Alabama. Maplewood goes to Madison Academy. I like Madison Academy in that one. Pretty good team, I understand. And then Ensworth traveling to Chattanooga. Ensworth over Brainerd down in Chattanooga area. All right, Father Ryan over BGA. Riverdale over Bradley Central. Blackman over Brentwood. Centennial over Overton. Franklin over Clarksville Northeast. Nashville Christian School, NCS over Ezell Harding. East Nashville over Glencliff. FRA over Goodpasture. This is the game I'll be attending at the FRA. FRA over Goodpasture. Lipscomb over Greenbrier. MBA over Hamilton. CPA over Hillwood. Stratford over Howard. Stratford over Howard. Hendersonville over Hunters Lane. Independence over Marshall County. Wilson Central over Laverne. Brentwood Academy over Liberty. Mount Juliet over Antioch. Siegel over Ottawa. Pearl-Cohn over Kenwood. Pope John Paul II over Lincoln County. Ravenwood over Clarksville. Rossview over McGavock, and Smyrna over Cane Ridge. Well, that'll do it for our picks this week. Please go out and support your local high school teams. Thank you.